girls, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting out in my car, which is very unusual for this channel, but I thought it would be fun to kind of follow me around to my Laser Away appointment today. So guess what we're doing today at Laser Away? I'm getting fillers done. I thought this would be so fun if I brought you guys along with me today at my consultation and my appointment, so you can kind of see what I'm getting done, why I'm getting it done, what do fillers do, what are they made of, how do they work, like all of the questions that I want to know. I want to let you guys in on the secret and share my experience with you. So I'm heading over there right now on Robertson Boulevard in Beverly Hills. I'm almost there and I'm so excited because they're always so nice. There's so many locations all over California. I know they even have locations in Nevada. So make sure you guys check the link in the down bar to find a Laser Away closest to you. There's, like I said, literally locations everywhere. I've been to a couple of them in LA and they're all really nice. One thing I can say about fillers that I love before I go to my appointment is the fact that you can get them done in like 30 minutes, maybe even less, and then you can go about your day and you don't even have to really have downtime. Like they just set in place and you don't have to do anything. Like the pain is almost non-existent. I did have fillers before in the same area that I'm getting them in. So if you guys want to check out that video, I will leave the link in the down bar as well. Let's go get these fillers done. At Laser Away. Just went over my profile, like my account, so they could see what we did last time. You can see like when I rest, this I don't like. So we're gonna put some fillers up in there. I have you guys on the tripod, so I have a steady hand while she sticks a needle in me. Oh, by the way, warning, if you guys don't like needles, maybe don't watch this. All right, you guys, I am here with Jessica and she's gonna be doing my Juvederm today in my smile lines. Do you think that's like a popular area that people get fillers?
Yeah, definitely. I think because they're some of our deepest creases, and so if we start filling them earlier, then we don't let those lines get as deep as they do if we wait too long. So if we even place just a tiny, tiny little bit, it'll help soften them.
Perfect. Yeah, I can definitely see them. I've had them like over a year ago, I think, and then it lasted a very long time before it started to dissolve, right? That's what it does.
Yeah, everyone's metabolism is slightly different, so people that have faster metabolism are going to break it down a little bit faster.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but for the most part, it lasts about 6 to 8 months.
6 to 8 months, you guys. Look, this is what we have going on today. Oh my god. If you guys don't like needles, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what Juvederm is, why I'm getting it, and what it does. But I think it's like a quick little procedure, I guess you could call it. Like,
yes, it's pretty quick. Of course, it's a needle poke, but the filler actually has lidocaine mixed into it. So once we do the first couple pokes, massage it through, and then it gets a little bit numb. So the subsequent pokes are a little bit easier. I'm
gonna look a little crazy. It's just gonna take my makeup off.
A little alcohol, so I can see these lines a little bit better.
Love it.
I know, so cute. The worst way to take off makeup.
I know. Guys, I'm gonna look crazy.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
But it's important to be clean before we do the needle poke.
Definitely. So what other areas can you get Juvederm?
We can do lips, of course, add a little bit of volume, and we can also do along the cheekbones. So if we start adding volume back up here and along the zygomatic arches here, it makes us look a little more contoured. Yeah.
Do you guys ever do it under the eye?
We don't here, but you can.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Common are the laugh lines for sure.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this.
It's not too scary. All right, so I'm gonna give you a mirror so you can kind of tell me like what lines you're looking at that you want filled.
Definitely like this.
Exactly.
That's like the big area. I don't know like that.
Because right here looks really, really good. You have plenty of volume. If I put too much here, you're gonna start looking a little puffy.
Oh no, just like here.
Just those little triangles at the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's easy to do.
I can do it. I can handle it. Okay. If I can do tattoos, I can do this.
Oh my goodness, yes. All right, my dear, you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, perfect. Good job. You okay? Mm-hmm. Good.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. Adding a little bit at a time. More. Good. And I'm gonna massage that out. So the filler is kind of like a globular structure. So when it first goes in, it feels like a little lobules. So we massage it out every time, which is really attractive because I'm gonna do it in your mouth. Oh. But that helps to smooth it out. I opened for me, thanks. But we wanna have everything nice and smooth so it just looks like our normal tissue, just a little bit filled. Good.
Love it.
So I'll have you look, the lighting is kind of casting a shadow on you.
I don't want to do too much.
Yeah, this shadow from the light is making the shadow from your nose make this look deeper than it actually is. You could do maybe just a slight turn this way. I'm gonna see if you can see.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it's just the shadow from your nose on the other side. So I could add just a smidge
Yeah,
more.
we can do that. A little bit. Let's not
drop.
get crazy.
No. Definitely don't want to go crazy.
Yeah, I think starting with like a little is better than doing too much.
Definitely, yeah. What do I do here? 1, 2, 3. Good. You okay?
Why you always lying?
And it's better to do just a little bit at a time because then you can always come back for touch-ups. So we save everybody's syringe for a month.
Oh wow.
That's how long Allergan advises. We can't save it for longer than that. We don't want to.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, so you can do a touch-up. This takes about 2 weeks to fully settle for like all the swelling to go down. Even though with the amount we're doing on you, you're probably not gonna have that much open again for you.
Oh.
I know. But in 2 weeks, then you can pop back in, everything will be fully settled so you can kind of see how it looks. And then at that point, if you're like, oh, maybe I want a little bit more, then we can add a little bit more from your syringe. And that way, by layering little by little, we get a more natural look too than instead of like just shoving a ton in
Oh
at a
yeah,
time.
for sure. So what's the downtime? Like basically none, right?
Yeah, I mean, everyone's different swelling wise. Here, luckily swelling kind of looks good because it just fills it in more.
Right.
But on the lips, I mean, some people like to look really swollen, but typically we say like give yourself 2 weeks before like an important event so it'll fully settle.
Gotcha.
Because otherwise you'll just be a little bit swollen.
Wait, I'm going to Vegas tomorrow.
You're gonna be fine because this is not like if you had the lips swelling the next day you might not want to do that.
I feel. But now I just have to do the other side and then we're done.
Ready? Smile for me. So that's where that crease is. Okay, good. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Good job. You okay here?
Oh my God.
A little bit more. Good. Smile for me. Good. Do a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let me massage that one out and then we can see if we want to do
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
No! It's like, it's not super painful, but it's that little pinchy pain that makes people's eyes water for sure.
You okay?
And then turn it slightly. Perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. Good. You okay? One more time.
It's funny because I can feel it in my skin.
Yeah. You can also, sometimes it feels like full under the area, but it's not so much the filler that you feel, it's the lidocaine that's numbing the tissue.
Okay.
To be the mirror, and maybe tell me if you want to do any more.
Well, it's gonna be a little red, so disregard that. But I can see that this looks so much better.
But easily covered with makeup, and that's nice too. Is there's no real downtime. Like once these clot, then you can.
Wait,
put your
you
normal.
did such a good job.
Good.
I remembered how much I loved it when I had it done last year.
Perfect. And this will continue to puff up a little bit more in here. Also, you have that same shadow from your nose on this side.
Thank you so much. I love it.
Of course. Good job. Amazing patience.
I know. I was trying to be a big girl, guys. So check out Laser Away if you guys want to get fillers. I get my laser hair removal here. I'll go ahead and leave my link in the down bar so you guys can make a consultation. Really crazy right now.